Body check. Mirror hit me like a flash test. Highways. You ain't ready for this progress. Late night pack bag color coded. Neon tag on the zip, I'm focused. Leg day, glute game heavy loaded. Every line on this frame you notice. Seam run sharp down the curve, precision. Crop top hug, every breath, decision. Sweat beat slide down my neck, ignition. You stare once, then again, new vision. Tight fit fever, watch your mind run wide. Every rep, every flex, get you hypnotized. Waist and hip dip, got your pulse on high. I put this on my arm, and I set your fire. Tight fit fever, let your thoughts take flight. Every lunge, every jump, make you fantasize. Heat wave, heart rave, in the gym floor live. I put this on my arm, and I set your fire. Strap crowd back like a race line. Print so loud, can't stay in a baseline. Walk to the rack, waist stack, then I take mine. Side glance, bite lip, you on FaceTime. Baby, cling to the sweat, that passion. Booty bend, pop, full attraction. Chalk on my palm for attraction. Slow squat, low drop, chain reach.